20 common English mistakes you must stop making. Hello everyone, today, you're going to learn 20 common English mistakes that many English learners make. Pay close attention because some of these mistakes are extremely common. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Don't say, I am agree. Say, I agree. Explanation. Agree is a verb, so we don't use am before it. Mistake number 2. Don't say, he go to school every day. Say, he goes to school every day. Explanation. With he, she, and it, we usually add s to the verb. Mistake number 3. Don't say, I have 25 years. Say, I am 25 years old. Explanation. In English, we use I am to talk about age. Mistake number 4. Don't say, she can sings. Say, she can sing. Explanation. After can, always use the base form of the verb. Mistake number 5. Don't say, I didn't went there. Say, I didn't go there. Explanation. After didn't, use the base form of the verb. Great job so far. Let's continue. Mistake number 6. Don't say, he have a car. Say, he has a car. Explanation. Use has with he, she, and it. Mistake number 7. Don't say, more better. Say, better. Explanation. Better already means more good. Mistake number 8. Don't say, I am boring. Say, I am bored. Explanation. Bored describes how you feel, boring describes something that causes boredom. Mistake number 9. Don't say, I enjoy to read books. Say, I enjoy reading books. Explanation. After enjoy, use the ing form. Mistake number 10. Don't say, people is friendly. Say, people are friendly. Explanation. People is a plural noun. You're doing great. Here are the next 5 mistakes. Mistake number 11. Don't say, I very like this movie. Say, I like this movie very much. Explanation. The word order is incorrect in the first sentence. Mistake number 12. Don't say, she explained me the problem. Say, she explained the problem to me. Explanation. We say explain something to someone. Mistake number 13. Don't say, I am married with her. Say, I am married to her. Explanation. The correct preposition is to. Mistake number 14. Don't say, where you are. Say, where are you? Explanation. In English questions, the verb usually comes before the subject. Mistake number 15. Don't say, I have been here since 3 hours. Say, I have been here for 3 hours. Explanation. Use for with a period of time. Use since with a starting point. Only 5 more to go. Let's finish strong. Mistake number 16. Don't say, I am living here since 2020. Say, I have lived here since 2020. Explanation. Use the present perfect for actions that started in the past and continue now. Mistake number 17. Don't say, she said me the answer. Say, she told me the answer. Explanation. We say tell someone but say something. Mistake number 18. Don't say, one of my friend. Say, one of my friends. Explanation. After one of, use a plural noun. Mistake number 19. Don't say, he is good in math. Say, he is good at math. Explanation. The correct preposition is at. Mistake number 20. Don't say, I look forward to see you. Say, I look forward to seeing you. Explanation. After look forward to, use the ing form of the verb. Fantastic, you have just learned 20 common English mistakes. How many of these mistakes did you already know? Write your score in the comments. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe for more English lessons, vocabulary, and speaking tips. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.